For the first time ever in the history of team building around the world, introducing the big picture activity virtually. The big picture, as commonly referred to, is the most conducted and appreciated team activity by premier team building companies across the globe in the pre-pandemic world. Taking the lead from there, we bring to you the world's first ever virtual big picture, One Vision. One Vision retains all the features of the on-ground physical activity while adding additional value adds and analytics without the heavy efforts and monies pulled into to run the show. What is One Vision? In the corporate world, founders, CXOs, board of directors come together to draft the company vision. The managers and the leaders then cascade this vision to different departments and smaller teams in it. The teams, understanding their specialization and roles in turn, plan, communicate, collaborate and work to achieve the organizational vision. This is what One Vision recreates through an immersive, super fun, gamified, tech-enabled painting activity. In One Vision, leaders are shown an organizational based vision board. In simple words, a meaningful visual painting design. Leaders are assigned teams where their role is to cascade this vision to the team and to ensure the objective is met. Let's take you through our all tech enabled platform. Participants join on a video call, post a quick debriefing, they are split into teams and are put into breakout rooms. Once in breakout rooms, participants based on personal expertise discuss and choose one of the three roles: leader, creator and solver. Every team is given a small part of the main picture to recreate. The leaders are shown the vision, that is the main picture which together all teams in smaller parts have to recreate. It is the leader's responsibility to make it happen and to achieve a high organizational synergy score. The solvers are required to solve clues. Solving clues fetches teams points which help them to unveil the picture to be recreated. The creators are tasked to design the picture. To ensure that the organization's objective is met, participants cannot just concentrate on their own individual responsibilities or the team picture. They will be required to break the silos and continuously collaborate and align their work with the other teams to achieve one seamless big picture and not smaller beautiful pieces that make no sense when put together. Key features of this activity: 20 to 200 participants can be seamlessly engaged, no physical materials required, real-time sync of all digital canvases, analytics on individual contribution and entire organization effort. This is One Vision for you.